our fundamentals sharp. Great training. Very pleased with the work on display. Well done.
All I'm saying, Lily, is you keep putting the crosses in and I will keep heading them in, you know?
You prefer using your head for something useful.
You know, I try, I really do.
What would you say has earned you your transfer to French League?
Starting with like the Euros, so it's like big wins and dreams, you know what I mean? It's all about winning one-on-ones and making sure you're up against members of the team.
And how are you thinking about going up against your brother Danny Williams? Must be a big thing for you.
What it might be for him, I can't say I care what it is. Unfortunately, what it is, nothing good for us, is it?
Although, if memory serves, you didn't actually play in the final.
Well, first season again, that's what we did. Playing the final again, so it's what don't you understand. I don't expect my brother. How is he going to get better than me? And if you're watching Dan, I love you, mate.
Brilliant. Also, I was wondering if I could put some extra practice in, you know, work on what the gaffer wanted.
Well, good on you. What the pitch is always about.
I'm not asking about the pitch. I'm wondering if you'd help train me.
What was that, Wilkins? Didn't quite hear you.
I was wondering if you would help train me.
Just say when, son.
Cool. Nice one.
I'll text you the directions. Directions?
Oh, that was close.
welcome to our live coverage. I'm Derek Ray with Lee Dixon alongside me in the commentary box, and we're back under the floodlights tonight for keenly awaited Champions League action as the group stage business begins for these two teams. Always an exciting prospect, Lee.
Looking down at the players with the Liverpool shirts on tonight, a heavy, heavy shirt that is from the history that's gone before them. No more so than Danny Williams making his Champions League debut tonight. What pressure on that young man.
And this is how Liverpool start the game. Could it be Danny Williams? Oh, goodness gracious me, it's a special, special goal from miles out.
Well, let's have a look at it again. He catches the keeper asleep, back on his heels. He wasn't expecting a shot from that distance, and neither was I.
Underway again, Liverpool hold the aces. Ronaldo. Justeza. Henderson. Salah. Beautifully timed. And close to goal. And it's gone in.
Well, I just love to look at perfect technique, and you won't get any better than this. It's just a dream strike. Brilliant, brilliant effort.
Well, a second goal for them here. Liverpool obsessed with finding a forward gear. Williams! And in the net this time for Liverpool.
Well, they inflict a lot of pressure on the opposition, and that time the opposition couldn't cope with it.
Well, it has been one-sided, but they deserve the plaudits for the fact that they've kept going and going. Coutinho has it. It's with Marlos. Well, regaining possession for his side cleverly. Mane, not quite accurate enough. And a strong tackle. Virgil van Dijk. When Liverpool play in the group stage, it always has the effect of bringing the memories back. My favourite memory, Lee, old spaghetti legs himself, Bruce Brook. Real chance. And this time, it's in. Well, sadly, we have to conclude that this hasn't really been a contest, but all credit to any side committed to scoring goals like this. It's with Marlos. Manichev on the ball. Give it away. And Mane. Keita. Could it be Danny Williams? Oh, that is a goal from long range. He won't soon forget. Absolutely right out of the top drawer.
Let's have another look at this. He wasn't expecting the ball, but when it comes to him, he chooses early to volley it. What a finish.
There has been a gulp in quality tonight, but you've really got to give them credit for the fact that they haven't let up at all. Ivan Ordets. Now Mo Salah. Manichev. It really is in the DNA of Liverpool Football Club, the European dimension, Lee.
Almost like league games, European nights when Liverpool are playing. Everybody expects, the club expects, the fans. As you said, it is in their blood.
And the ball with Williams. Mane. Liverpool continue. Could it be Danny Williams? Oh, what a goal! A tremendous strike! Hard to believe that he elected to take on that shot. Absolutely brilliant. Well, it has been one-sided, but they deserve the plaudits for the fact that they've kept going and going. Oh, he's through here. Only the keeper to win it. Well, they can say a big thank you to the goalkeeper. That was inspirational.
Well, that's as good as a goal at the other end. Brilliant save from the keeper.
Corner once more. And tasked with taking it, Henderson. And the goalkeeper has outdone himself with that save. They'll repeat the trick. Corner again. And he's fired over the corner. Well, the goalkeeper doing what he's paid to do. Jordan Henderson with it. Well, first-rate goalkeeping.
Oh, you can't believe the goalkeeper saved that. That's brilliant.
Now the execution of the corner. My goodness me, the goalkeeper had his work cut out for him, but delivered.
Yeah, that's what they do. Look at that save, a brilliant effort.
And firing it into the area. Straight forward for the keeper. Ismaili. He's feeling the pressure here.
There will be a
We've been
minimum.
waiting to find out. Now we know a minimum of 3 added minutes here. Every goalkeeper would expect to catch that one. And that brings to an end. Underway in the second half. And after such a lopsided first 45 minutes, is it possible to think they could turn this around? Given away. Can they cut up in the defence with a through ball? He's likely asking himself, why did I shoot from so far out?
Well, he's not the only one. I'm asking him, and all his teammates are too.
Van Dijk with it. Well, this man will get most of the plaudits for his contribution up to this point, Lee. It's with Krivtsov. Given away. He's given us away. On the ball, Taras Stepanenko. And given away. Williams. Might still be able to do a bit of damage. And cleared away. Given away. Stepanenko. Just wanted to get it out of there. So a throw in here. And a substitution in the offing. Naby Keita. Could it be Danny Williams? Showing ambition to shoot from there. Goalkeeper has it. Given away. That is top-notch goalkeeping. He had to reach in with his hand.
Yeah, it's all about reading the pace of the ball and the player's feet. When do I go down? When do I strip the ball? Did a brilliant job then.
Clear foul play, and as a result, a free kick forthcoming. The referee has dished out a yellow card here.
Well, it's not malicious, it's just clumsy.
And the ball with Williams. Liverpool have given us away. Now, what can he do here? He's got the right idea. For that pass. And a goal! There has been a gulp in quality tonight, but you've really got to give them credit for the fact that they haven't let up at all. They've given it away. Foucault. And the ball second half here, and it's almost Lee again. Could it be Danny Williams? Of course, going to take an audacious effort to beat the goalkeeper from there. Woodcock has gone over the touchline for what will be a throw-in. And the ball with Williams. Can he do it from miles out? And it's gone just narrowly wide, Lee.
Well, not his laces, it's the inside of his foot, Derek. It's a decent effort.
And it's a case of just 5 minutes left. They've given it away. If there's such a thing as the perfect challenge, that was it. But a throw-in. Given away. Well, a sloppy clearance. It must go in, surely. Goal it is for Liverpool.
Genius. It really is genius. What a finish. Well, here's the replay. You've got to ask questions about the back line and the goalkeeper. They're simply not there.
Well, if there were any lingering doubts about the outcome, surely they now have been removed. The referee has decided that 2 additional minutes are in order. And just the 1 minute left in normal time here. And the ball with Williams. Prepared to take on the shot. It's still alive. And they deal with the threat this time. There goes the full-time whistle, and Liverpool fans won't mind this at all. Liverpool with 3 points from their first game of this Champions League campaign.
Yeah, really, really strong start. That's what you need. But with 5 games to go,
First Champions League game for you, Danny. Enjoy the experience.
Yeah, it was cool. It was cool. You know, but just another game as far as I'm concerned.
Well, I suppose it is, but the stakes are higher, the atmosphere is electric, and it can feel quite different.
Nah, not for me, mate. You know, the Williams just goes out there and does what he does best, and that's win football games. So it doesn't matter what league, doesn't matter what game.
Well, apparently the Williams is a rare breed.
Oh yeah, one of a kind, mate.
Order of the day is set pieces. They need work, that much is for sure. Let's have a good session today, yeah? good session today. You in particular, lad. Well done.